Hello YouTube, it's Drew back with another dash cam drive through a town in South Carolina today. We're visiting the town of South Congaree in Lexington County, a suburb of Columbia, and the whole landscape is very suburban. Apparently they have a rodeo championship that's here every year, and the town was incorporated in 1957. I just strung two facts together in a huge run-on sentence. But anyway, there's railroad tracks there. South Congaree, like I said, is very suburban, and as you can tell, the lighting is not very good for this video. I guess all my videos from this trip, the shadows are going to get them a lot. But you know, in all honesty, you could drive down a lot of roads in America and see South Congaree in it. Of course, it won't be exactly this, or you know, the exact homes, the exact trees, or whatever, but it's going to look very similar to this. There's another town very close by named Pine Ridge, which I also got. I think they kind of border each other, to be honest with you. But it was really hard to tell when one town ended, the other started. With this whole area, really, it's just very suburban. Yeah, just outside of Columbia. And of course, it's named after the Congaree River, probably the south branch of the Congaree River. But anyway, guys and gals, and hopefully new subscribers, that was South Congaree, South Carolina.